Hello everyone, my name is Shubhajit and today we will be solving the fifth problem of the useRef problem solving series, which is play and pause this video. Okay, so from this video and now onwards with the useRef problem solving series, we will be actually doing the DOM manipulations with the help of useRef. So if you haven't watched the useRef video, please have a look at it. There I have explained that useRef is mainly used for two purposes. One is these DOM manipulation, which will be starting from this video. The second one is what we have just discussed in the previous four videos, that are basically when we want to the values, keep some of the values uh, not resetting while a re-rendering is happening. Let's say there is a variable which we don't want to reset whenever a re-render is happening due to any state change or prop change. In those cases, these variables are initialized with the help of useRef hook. And this useRef hook, whenever the property of this variable changes or whenever the value of this variable changes, the UI will not be re-rendered again due to this. So whenever a state change on whenever a prop changes, the UI is re-rendered again. But whenever there is a change or mutation in the useRef variable, the UI render will not be triggered. That you have to understand. So that is the another use case. Let's have a look at the DOM manipulations from this video, which we can achieve with the help of useRef hook. So we have a button element here, which have an on click handler, handle click, and inside this handle click, what we are doing, we are just having uh, the toggle of is playing state variable. Is playing is a state variable which is initialized to false on the first mount of the whole component, and whenever this click button is whenever this button is clicked, the handle click function will run and it will make the next is playing to the opposite of what presently is. If it is false, then it will become true and vice versa. And then it will set the is playing to the current value of is playing. Okay, I hope this is fine. So let's say if it is true, then the handle on clicking the handle this button, the is playing will become false. If it is false, it will become true, like that. Okay, so if is playing based on the is playing true or false, this pause and play will be shown on the button. The button part is sorted. Now we have a video HTML tag which has an initial width and it has a source, and we have given an mp4 file from the from Google, and we have the type of the video as video slash mp4. So you don't have to like dig a lot into this. You just have to understand that this video tag will show a video whose URL is present in this and the type is mp4. Okay, now what we have to do, let me show you the UI first. So what we have to do, on clicking on this play and pause button, the video should start and stop respectively. So how can we do that? With React, it's not JavaScript like we can uh, use like some event listeners or something like that. We can we can do that, but for now we have an easier method with the help of useRef hook. What we can do is, in this video tag, what we will do, we will assign a ref variable to it. Let's name this as video ref and use ref, initialize it to null. Okay, so this video tag, I will initialize a ref to it, and that is video ref. I hope you have understood that, right? So the video ref what we have is now like, okay, now the video ref dot current property will actually store this whole video element. If I will show you that, so yeah, on handle click I will be able to show it better. So video ref dot current, Let's see what is there in the video ref dot current property. I'm expecting it to be the whole video element here. Okay, so you can see the whole video element we have, this whole video tag we have, right? So that is what we want. Now we can apply all the methods over the video HTML element. So what we will do, uh, we don't need to console log it here. I will just comment it out. And inside this function, whenever it is clicked, what we should do, if next is playing is true, it means now we need to play this video. So if next is playing is true, I will take the video ref dot current and I will call the play method on it. So video HTML tag has a play method in it which will actually make the videos to play, and the same way I can actually pause it. So if it is not true, then it means we need to pause it. Okay, this is pretty much fine. You can have a look at the play and pause method of the video HTML tag through any documentation, so that way you will be able to understand the things, or whatever functions are there in which we can apply on the video element, and you can play around that. Okay, I will save this and I will go here. Now if I click refresh and I will click play, can you see the video started playing? Now I will click pause, the video paused, play, pause. So you can see that the things are happening. We are able to manipulate the DOM, this DOM, the video HTML element, and apply, call the methods of it with the help of the video ref, which is initialized with the use of useRef hook. I hope you are able to understand this video. If you have any doubts, please put them in the comment section. I will be really happy to help. Thank you.